Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you the Litecoin based trick. You can use this trick to increase your Litecoin. This trick is used for that people start using this trick to didn't have a much more amount of USDT or USD in their wallet address, and if they want to make much more bunch of amount, they use this trick. Okay, let's get started. First of all, click the three dash, click the multiple, click the these. Okay, watch this video until end to you understand how this trick use. Okay, I choose Litecoin. The minimum amount of beating amount is 50 Satoshi of Litecoin. Is not big deal. I come with this minimum amount. I have this much Litecoin in my wallet address. I put the payout to 20.3. Okay, the payout is 20.3. Every time I lose, I increase this one to double. Every time I win, I come back to minimum. Okay, I just click one of the beating. Okay, first of all, I come here, I share my withdrawals. You can see this is my withdrawal. I just use 1 hour. I make this much withdrawal, and you can make much more in 1 hour too if you increase your amount of the beating, but the minimum amount is very great. Right now I click one of the beat. You can see one time click one lose in here. My beating, you can see how one time lose in here I just increase the 2x and then beat again one of these two. You can see I lose again. I just click 2x again, click the one of this beat. You can see I win. In here you can see 2 time lost, 1 time win, and I come back to the minimum amount. Just click the minimum. You can see I come back to minimum. You can see much more little bit amount I win. I just use this trick faster for 1 hour to show you this trick is useful or not. Okay, now you can see. Okay, one time. Okay, much more lost. Win. Okay, I just click minimum. And I use this trick for 1 hour. After 1 hour I come back to show you how much I win. Okay guys, and now it's at least in 30 minutes I working in here. You can see this much Litecoin I earn. I just reload the page and come down and share with you the withdrawals, raise on my beating amount. And this is my eyes beating amount. For right now you can see this all the beating amount I beat in here, and I go to my Faucetpay dashboard. This is my Litecoin in here. This much Litecoin I have. In USDT I earn 30 cents in USDT. Every 0.001 is 1 cent in here, and you can see I earned this much amount of the Litecoin. It's so easy to earn from this trick, and it's at least in 30 minutes I'm working in here. And if you change your beating amount, you're able to earn much more, but it's too risky if you change it this much. And that time you can earn much more. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.